How to get free admission in Germany for MBBS. World best medical universities in Germany. Total 40 medical colleges, government and private. 5% seats are reserved for international students. Eligibility criteria. Pre-medical or A-level qualification. Minimum 85% marks required. Students with 90% marks are preferred. Course duration. Total 7 years. 9 months German language course, 6 years foundation plus MBBS. Medium of instructions. Mostly universities are German language in MBBS course. Expenses. MBBS is totally free. Students will have to deposit in euro directly to university account. Students will have to deposit around 10,000 euro in block account. After arrival in Germany, 850 euro can be withdrawn from block account per month. Part-time work. Yes, part-time job is allowed. Documents required. Matric result card, FSC result card, passport. Admission letter will be issued within 30 to 40 days. More detail to watch my YouTube channel Learn German Today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Learn German Today.